Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabu Tinku Foodies. I'm sure you guys agree that we Indians love paneer curries. Whether it's birthday, anniversary or any party or get together, paneer has to be on the menu. There are tons of varieties of paneer curries, but today I'm gonna be making one of the popular ones, palak paneer. This creamy delicious curry is fortified with the perfect combo of health and taste. The aroma of whole spices makes it flavorful and the leafy spinach along with the protein packed paneer adds up to the hearty goodness. And the best part of this recipe is the versatile spinach gravy. Even if you're not a fan of paneer or following a vegan or dairy free diet, you can simply replace paneer with either tofu, soya chunks, potatoes or any other vegetables of your choice. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and let's get started. We'll start with frying the paneer. This method is completely optional. If you don't want to fry the paneer, you can add them in the curry as they are. And we want to fry them for not more than 2 to 3 minutes. Now we'll keep the paneer aside and prepare the gravy. In the same pan, we'll add chopped onion, garlic, ginger, dry red chilies, and give it a mix. Now we'll add in sesame seeds, some cashews and almonds, add in a cup of water and let this cook for about 12 to 15 minutes till all the water is gone. Now we'll turn off the heat and let this cool a bit. Into a blender, we'll add the cooled onion mixture along with spinach and some water. And blend it into a smooth puree. Spinach puree is ready and now we'll make the curry. We'll heat up some oil into a wok and add in the whole spices. First goes bay leaf or tej patta, then peppercorns or kali mirch, cloves or long, black cardamom or badi ilaichi, and a cinnamon stick or dalchini. Now let them fry for few seconds and add in the spinach puree. We'll give it a stir and add in other spices. In goes red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and some salt. Mix everything well and cover for about 3 to 4 minutes. The spinach gravy is almost ready. We'll add in some garam masala powder, along with the fried paneer. Now we'll give it a good mix and then cover again for about 2 minutes. And the palak paneer is ready. Let's serve it. I had saved some paneer cubes for the final plating. And look how creamy and delicious it is. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're also a fan of paneer just like I am, I'm sure you're gonna love this curry. So do try it out and let me know in the comment section. And the written recipe, as always, is in the description below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, hit the bell icon and keep watching for such delicious recipes from Taboo Tingoo Foodies. Till then, happy eating. I'll see you next time.